Algebra 2, welcome to your SAT prep. Here we go. Let's get this thing started. So we got a square that has a side length of 12 centimeters. The perimeter is 2 times the perimeter of square x. Square y. So we have two squares. What is the length in centimeters of one side of square y? All right, so square x looks like this. What was our side length again? 12. And y is 2 times the perimeter. Okay? So this is our perimeter, right? It says our perimeter, side length is 12. So that's 12, which means that's 12, which means that's 12, which means that's 12, right? So our perimeter is 48 squared y. The perimeter is 4 times longer, is 2 times the perimeter, equals 2 times 48, and that's 96. What does it want? A side length? I believe it does. What is the length in centimeters of one side of square y? Yes, so then one side of square y this guy is just 96 divided by 4, or 1, how about 2? That was a long, contrived way to do it, but I tried to get a little review as well of some geometry concepts while we're in here, right? You could obviously have just multiplied the size length by 4. All right, let's go on to the next one. The given function g models the number of gallons of gasoline that remains from a full gas tank in a car after driving m miles. According to the model, about how many gallons of gasoline are used to drive each mile? Okay, well, so let's talk about this. This one's pretty, just kind of sitting right out there. So this represents the gas you start with. Wow. Really bad handwriting. Okay, anyways. Right, that's what your y-intercept is, right? It's your initial value. That's what that is, right? If we're talking about the equation of a linear line, a linear function, mx plus b. Remember, this guy's your y-intercept. And your y-intercept is always your initial value, right? So the way I read this is this person has 12.1 gallons of gas in their gas tank, right? Every time they drive a mile, they lose 0.05 gallons of gasoline. So then that means that they use 0.05 gallons for each mile. I also did not fill in this answer, which was 24. But that's it, right? So the idea is that you recognize that in the equation of a linear function, your slope tells you your increase per each unit, or decrease in this case, for each unit. All right, so for this particular one, we're asked to solve an absolute value equation. Um, they want to know the positive value of x minus 1. So what we need to do is solve this guy right here for x. Looking at the positive values. And then I guess it's not a multiple choice type question. All right. So we're going to have to solve this guy for x and then plug that back in here. The value of x that we solved for, we're going to plug in here, and that will give us our answer. So when you're solving these, you got to solve two equations. But in this case, we actually don't, right? If I was going to solve this, I would have to solve both of these equations. So the idea is you get your absolute value by itself, and then set it equal to both the positive value that's on the other side of the equal sign and the negative value that's on the other side of the equal sign. I think we're only interested in this one because it wants the positive value. So let's solve this. Oh, yeah, I should have added more. Thank you. And we don't have to solve the other one because we're just being asked for that positive value. Okay, so we've got an equation that relates the positive numbers b, x, and y, which correctly expresses x in terms of b and y. So what they're asking us to do is solve this thing for x. Make sure I copied that. Whoa there, Tiger. Make sure I copied that down right. 1 over 7b, 11x over y. Good to go. So we're being asked to solve this thing for x. So the first thing I'm going to do is basically I'm going to multiply both sides by y and multiply both sides by 7b. You might have also heard this called cross multiplying, right? So I'm going to multiply the y times the x and the 7b times the 11x. So I'm going to have 7b times 11x equals y. So now I need to get this guy by itself, right? Well, it probably would have been better just to multiply both sides by y. Oh well. It's good to see how to solve rational equations as well, so we'll just leave it there. I got to get this guy by itself, so I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by 7b, so I get 11x equals y over 7b. And now I need the 11 to go away, so I'm going to divide both sides by 11. Right, this is the quantity that I divided by 11. So now I've got like a little fraction work to do, right? So I've got y over 7b. I'm going to rewrite this so that divided by 11 over 1, right? Because I could express that as a fraction quite easily. I like to look at it this way. It's a little easier to see, right? Because now it's time to flip it and multiply. So y over 7b equals golly gee, times 1 over 11 is y over 77b. Let's hope that that's one of our possible answers. Boom shakalaka. There it is. All right, next one. We got 4 values of x and their corresponding values of f of x, right? Remember, this is x. This is the same thing as y, right? This is our input, output. There's a linear relationship between x and f of x that is defined by the equation f of x equals m times x minus, and where m is your slope, right? So this is a linear equation, or a linear function, I should say. And we want to find out what the slope is. Well, there are a number of different ways to approach this problem, right? I could use my slope formula to find slope. So one option, so option 1 is going to be, you can do this y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This will give you the answer. So I could pick these 2 points and these 2 points, right? So y2 then is 137 minus y1, which is 82, and then divided by 15 minus 10. Okay, so that's one way. Option 2, you might like a little better because you don't have to memorize your slope formula. Right, and that's, sorry, I should say m equals that. Option 2, you might like a little better. I think a little more straightforward. I'm going to just plug in f of x and x. So I'm going to substitute f of x and x. I'm going to do 1 point in there. I'll pick the first one, right? So I have the equation given of f of x equals mx minus 28. So f of x in this case, we're going to use the 8210 one. M times 10 minus 28. So I'll add 28 to both sides and get 110. We'll call that 10m. Same there. I'll divide both sides by 10 and we get that m is 11. So there are 2 different ways to approach that, whichever one you like. Do that. I think that option 2 is probably a little more straightforward, requires less memorization. Moving on. Ooh. Well, that's kind of yucky. Maybe it's not. I don't know. Let's see. We got to solve this thing for b. Dang. Well, and it says that the given expression is equivalent to this one, right? So then if it says it's equivalent, I'm just going to say, okay, well, you said that it equals that. Well, then I'm going to go ahead and put an equal sign and put bx cubed minus 11 here. And let's see if we can get a value of b. Is a constant. Well, the first thing I want to do is simplify this expression that's on the left-hand side of my equals sign. So I'm going to distribute this negative, right? So this is going to become plus 4x cubed minus 8 equals bx cubed minus 11. Now I'm going to combine like terms. I can combine these guys, and I can combine these guys. So that's going to give me 9x cubed minus 11 equals bx cubed. All right. We're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. Minus 11, golly gee. So I'm liking this because I'm seeing that if I add 11 to both sides, the 11s go away. I like that. I like that. So let's go ahead and do that. So add 11 to both sides. Plus 11, plus 11. I'm going to write that down because it's going to be weird because the 11 is going to go away. All right, I want to know what B is. So I need to get B by itself. How would I get B by itself? Well, it's multiplying x cubed. So to get rid of x cubed, I'll do the opposite and divide it. Those are going to go away. Those are going to go away. And it turns out that B is 9. All right. So now we're looking at a solution to a system of inequalities in the xy plane. So what I'm going to do is graph this. I'm going to use Desmos right now to graph it. What do we got? Y equals 14. 4x plus y 18. Let's see if we can graph this. Ooh, so first thing I want to do if I want to graph these, this one's ready to go, right? I'm just going to put in my graphing calculator y equals 14. And then this one, unfortunately, we got to solve this thing for y. Not a big deal. I'm just going to have to, I'm going to change this to an equal sign just because it's going to be easier for me to enter in the calculator. Negative 4x plus 18, right? In order to graph it, I got to get that y isolated, or I have to solve for it. So 13. Oof. Do you not like that? Can I put in an inequality and make this work in Desmos? I don't know, honestly. Greater than 14. Okay, it does like it. All right. And then the next one was... Oh. Negative 4x plus 18. Y is what? Golly gee. Less than. Plus 18? Golly, come on, bro. Yes. So, anything that's in this darker shaded region is a possible solution. All right, so let's look at our possible answers. -9, -5, right? Those are the only two that are possible, because if we look at this, right, we're we don't want an x value, right? X, yeah. I would like to zoom out. There we go. All right, so this is our intersection of the two. Negative. Do we select all that apply? Because only one? Oh, but if we're at 53, so if we look at -5, there's no way that we're at 53 in this area here, right? At -9, Yep. 53. We are good. So I think, can I, let's zoom out more. So it appears that there is a value there at negative 953. Let's see. Oh. Okay. So negative 953 then would be a possible solution, right? Because it's less than that 54. It's in that shaded region. All right. Got that busted out. Bacteria are growing all the time. In a liquid growth medium, there were 300,000 cells per milliliter during an initial observation. The number of cells per milliliter doubles every 3 hours. How many cells per milliliter will be there 15 hours after the initial observation? So I'm going to have to write an equation for this. I have some y equals my initial. So this always goes your initial times your rate to some time. In this case, our initial is 300,000. Our rate of growth is, it doubles. So 2 every 3 hours. So doubles every 3 hours. And 15 hours then is going to be, I'll divide that by 3, right? Because there are three sets in there. So we'll raise that to the next power. Put that in a handy dandy calculator. So we will have 960,000. Not sorry,